Mary had a little lamb.
We're demonstrating a mechatronic pitch pipe organ with a smart angle sensor providing the rotation feedback. It positions the pitch pipe for a diatonic scale. Going down the scale, it needs to rotate nearly 360 degrees with speed and precision, despite the motor's inertia. So how does it work? A magnet is glued to the pitch pipe and the ASR012 detects the rotating magnetic field. The sensor is non-contact and can be up to 7 millimeters away from an inexpensive ferrite magnet, so there's a lot of mechanical latitude. We have a free web app that models the magnet spacing. There are 13 pitch pipe notes, so the notes are about 28 degrees apart. Pitch pipes come in various keys. We chose a C to C variant to correspond to a C to C piano keyboard. Here's the wiring diagram. We use the I2C sensor version because it only needs 2 Arduino I/O lines, so there's enough I/O for the motor, air valve, mode switch, keyboard, and LED array. The LED array shows which note is being played based on data from the sensor. An advantage of a high-speed motor is that we can turn the motor one direction. This simplifies the electronics and eliminates backlash. If we reverse the motor, the maximum rotation is less than 180 degrees, but reversing the motor requires an H-bridge, and going the same direction requires just one MOSFET. We demonstrate H-bridges in other videos if you're interested. Search NVE Isolated H-bridge Motor Control on YouTube. Gear motors typically have a lot of inertia. Here's a graph we ran of the sensor output. The motor coasts for a while here. We can't just turn off the motor at the desired position since it would coast another 60 degrees and we need a few degrees of accuracy. The angle sensor allows more sophisticated control. Here's the Arduino program. The setup section initializes the I/O and defines variables and lookup tables. There's an autoplay mode in addition to the keyboard mode. Here's the procedure to read the angle, which is pretty simple. This procedure controls the motor and calculates the motor's speed. The other two procedures read the keyboard and turn on the LEDs. Here are the key components used for this demo. The keyboard is from an inexpensive keychain piano, and an aquarium pump supplies the air. Key ASR series specifications are 0.1 degree precision, various interface options, wide field operating range, high speed, full temperature range, and ultra miniature. Call, click, or email us for more information or to buy ASR012 angle sensors, breakout boards, or evaluation kits.